2 Meadowlark Lane. Got a great house here in Blue Ridge Mountain Estates. The reason they call it the Estates because large lots. This is 2.96 acres. We've got 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, a 2-level house as you'll see. Again, you've got a long area of land going back there and into the back side. There's actually a trail going down that you can walk to if you want to get to the back of the property, but a very private backyard. As you can see here, the driveway comes in on this side. You got a fenced in area as well in the back, and we'll go take a look at that. But what I really love about this is the location. You're 15 minutes from Seneca. You're not far again from Clemson to get to Clemson games. If you've got to go to the hospital or Home Depot, Lowe's, again within 15 minutes of that time frame there. And again, if you want to use this as a getaway weekend for Clemson games, you're about 25 minutes from the stadium. So great setup there. You can also rent this house out. So there's an income producing element to this home as well. So let's head on in, take a look at the house. It's in great condition, and we'll get around to the back and show you. They also have a storage building around the back side of the house that'll help you as well. So let's head on inside. All right, come into a nice open living room area. You can see here we got a half bath as you come in the front door. We've got a ceramic tile flooring, or stone actually. Looking at that, it's a granite looking stone. Hardwood floors. You see a nice open kitchen area there. Let's take a quick step out on the back deck, because I think this is one of the definite features about this home. You got a nice large back deck area, fenced in, and a lot of privacy here. You can even take a peek through the trees here, and I'm sure in the winter when the leaves are down, you're even going to pick up a little bit of a view of the Blue Ridge Mountains in that direction. So that's awful nice. As you can see, we talked about the storage building down below. You've got a propane gas tank over there. And again, nice area to have a grill, sit out here late afternoon, have a dinner. Stone fireplace here. We've got, it's a gas log as you can see. Let's head on over here to the master bedroom. Coat closet, as you expect. Come on in the master bedroom. They also have access to the back deck as well. Nice large room, ceiling fan. Carpet on the floors. Walk-in closet. Nice setup there, plenty of space. Come on into the bathroom. You've got a jetted tub. Hard surface countertop, double sinks. Separate shower. And a private toilet. All right, let's go over this side. Again, we've got an open kitchen. Nice island bar in here. A lot of cabinets. Little dining room, breakfast room table. Got all the black appliances. Every kitchen needs a pantry. This one certainly has a pantry. Come on into the laundry room. Got a sink, more cabinets, and then we've got an oversized garage here. Very nice. All right, we'll head upstairs and check out the layout up there. Come on upstairs. Look above us. You got an area here. You can make a nice office. You can put bunk beds in here. Could have a playroom area for kids, grandchildren, whatever, but a nice space to be able to utilize. Could be an office. All those things. Nice look overlooking the living room area. Then You've got another suite up here. Nice large room. Be a great place if you had another couple come to stay in this room. And again, you've got a hard surface tops, bath shower combo. And all the carpet flooring up here in the areas. And then you've got two more bedrooms up here. Got the bedroom here to the left. Another full bath over here, bath shower combo again. And you've got a large bonus room bedroom at the end here. So this house, you know, set up, it could sleep a lot of people. Certainly if you were using it as primary or a secondary home or a rental, any of the three would work great. All right, let's head downstairs. We'll go out to the back and check out the storage building. All right, nice view of the back of the house. Again, very private area here. Nice fenced in area. And they've got a large storage building here. All your outdoor stuff, lawnmowers, weed eaters, just stuff in general. In fact, if you got into pots and or like doing plants and stuff, would make a nice little nursery room to pot things and stuff of that nature. There's also a trail, and you can kind of see there's a roadbed that kind of runs to the back side of the property, and you can go over to the line and follow that all the way to the back of the property, which is super nice as well. So again, privacy, location, great house in great shape. If you have any interest, give us a call, 800-682-9098. Set up a showing.